Hello, Teacher Tina here. We are still on our Module 1, Part 2. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Again, where ax squared is our quadratic term, our bx is our linear term, and c again is our constant term. So example, 3x squared, the given 3x squared plus 15x minus 99 is equal to c. In here, you are going to find a, b, and c. So, from the standard form of quadratic equation, our first term is our ax squared. So, therefore, since our first term here is 3x squared, so our a is 3, meaning that is the numerical coefficient of our quadratic term. And in finding b, b is our numerical coefficient of the linear term. So our second term here, our linear term is 15x. So therefore, our b is 15. And in finding c, c is our constant term. We have no other number here except 99. So therefore, negative 99 is our c. Kung negative ganina dinha, ibutang sa dinha sa C, sa inyong answer ang negative. Example number 2. X, quantity x plus 5 is equal to 0. Observe that this is not yet in standard form. So therefore, you have to transform this one in standard form. You will be multiplying x to x here. So x times x is equivalent to x squared. X will be multiplied to 5, that will become 5x is equal to 0. So this time, this is already in standard form. You can now proceed to finding A, B, and C. So our quadratic term here is x squared. There is, what is our numerical coefficient of x squared here? So if in this case, you cannot see a numerical coefficient, therefore, our numerical coefficient is 1. Naa na siya 1. Kay og 0 na siya, mawa na ang term. So therefore, A here is 1. Our B is 5, the linear term, and our C is 0. Next, third example, negative 12x plus 8x squared is equal to 2. Do you think this is already in standard form? Okay, so we have to convert this one first in standard form. Mag-unag yun ang atong x squared. The term that has an exponent of 2. So therefore, this will become 8x squared minus 12x. Then we will use addition property of equality. Ang left side atong minusan og 2, ang right side minusan sa og 2. So kaning right side diri equivalent to 0 na siya. So therefore, our standard form of this quadratic equation is 8x squared minus 12x minus 2 equals 0. So sayo na kayo ang pagpangitan nato sa A, B, and C if the quadratic equation is in standard form. So our A here, the numerical coefficient of the first term is 8. Our B, the numerical coefficient of the linear term, that is negative 12. And C, our constant term is negative 2. Next, the given 2x, quantity 6x plus 1 is equal to negative 9. Again, you have to solve this one algebraically. So we have here 2x times 6x. This will become 12x squared. 2x times 1, that is 2x, is equal to negative 9. Then, we will use addition property of equality. Plusan og 9 diri sa left side, plusan sa og 9 sa right side. Or, para mas dali na to, there is no such word as transpose, pero para dali na to masabtan, i-transpose ang negative 9, may man siyang positive 9. So therefore, our quadratic equation in standard form is 12x squared plus 2x plus 9 equals 0. Where our A is 12, our B is 2, and our C is 9. What if the given is a product of two binomials? How are we going to transform this in standard form? You will be using FOIL method this time. So multiply the first term and the first term, 2x times x. That will become 2x squared. 2x times 1, so that is 2x. The last term and the first term, FOIL method. So 1 times x and 1 times 1, that is 1. Then combine like terms, so 2x squared. You combine the 2x and x, so that will become 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Since this is already in standard form, we can now identify the values of A, B, and C. Our A is 2, B is 3, and C is 1. And for our last example, this is the quantity x plus 5 squared minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Mura na siya nag-complicated, pero sayon na siya, ha? Ang kaning x plus 5, i-expand na ning kaduha. X plus 5 times x plus 5 minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Dayon, using FOIL method in your grade 8, you multiply all the first term, the outer term, the inner term, and the last term. So x times x is x squared. Multiply x in 5, so that will become 5x. 5 times x, that is 5x. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So copy the second given minus quantity 2x minus 1 equals 0. And after that, katong product na to ganiya sa two binomials, we will combine like terms. Observe that 5x and 5x are like terms. So therefore, if we combine them, it will become 10. So therefore, our trinomial this time is x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus, wala pa nato hilabti ang second given, minus negative 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we will do the difference of two polynomials. Remember that in getting the difference, you have to change the sign of the subtrahend. Our 2x minus 1 here is our subtrahend. So this positive 2x will become negative 2x. And this negative 1 will become positive 1. So our resulting polynomial this time is x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Combine like terms again. So 10x and negative 2x are like terms. So this will become 8x. Gikopya na ng x squared daw. Wala tayo gihimo na nila. Then the constant term 25 and 1, it will become 26. So therefore, our quadratic equation in standard form is x squared plus 8x plus 26 equals 0. So what is our A, B, and C? Observe that our quadratic term has no number. If what ganin na siya number, dili na 0 ang answer, ha? It means na ana siya 1 din, ha? So therefore, our A is 1. B is 8 and C is 26. Kung naamoy pangutana, balikan ninyo ang video. Balikan ninyo ang tanaw. Before mo mangutana na ako sa group chat. Next, we have here, I gave you an enhancement worksheets 1.2. So in the directions, you have to write each quadratic equation in standard form. So kani diring na diri standard form ya. Na 1 to 10 din na ang yung answer na dira is the standard form, meaning it should be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Dayon, kini diring next column A, B, and C, you are to write the values of A, B, and C. If there is a need for you to solve algebraically for you to come up with the standard form, then you have to solve. Okay, that would be all. Thank you.